Kannur babies which we are going to feed today, and they are 20 days old. Now take some water in a bowl, heat the water and make sure the water is at lukewarm temperature, that is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Here we are using petlife hand feeding formula, and this one will cost you Rs 275 for 250 gram pack, and this pack will serve for 3 baby birds for around 1 month. We would recommend you to use this formula for small birds like conures, cocktails and African lovebirds, since large birds like macaw and cockatoos will